how are you? Today we're visiting some friend now, and this is his son. Taha, say hi. Taha, say hello to you guys. We are here for Turkish pizza, but this guy is so special. So he's the best of it. So just follow me, we're going in. Just come in. We're gonna knock the door now for the gentleman. And his son is here also. Hi Taha. How are you?
Welcome.
Thank you. Okay, we're going in. Selamünaleyküm.
Aleykümselam.
Nasılsın kardeşim?
Elhamdülillah. Siz nasılsınız?
Vallahi elhamdülillah iyiyiz. So guys, now we are here today to eat Turkish pizza. I'm telling you, this guy is the best in Turkey. So, we're gonna see what he's gonna do. Yes, and another story with this Turkish pizza, this technique that never been used. So we're gonna use this technique here now. So I'm preparing some wood now. Just watch. So that's how we are fixing the dough. Getting ready, soon we are there. I'm picking some fresh mint for the salad. That's beautiful. Nice. Now picking my lemon as well. I need one. Maybe the other one also. Woo. Now friends, like we're end of the day, I'm starving and all, and I want to taste and tell the gentleman how this is it. Look at this beautiful stuff. Lemon is everything on this. You put lemon, a lot of them, and the best part of all, you're putting together, you're rolling up, and look at the camera, enjoy it. I can put a word in it. Amazing. Absolutely. This is amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.